Good morning, everyone. My name is Farheen Saida. I am the class teacher of FS1 at Pristine Academy. Wish you all Happy Independence Day. A poem is being presented by the little children of FS1 of Pristine Academy. Its name is Two Little Dicky Birds. This program is going to be presented by Trishika, Aradhya, Arna, Divya, Arya, Angel, Kriti, Saurabh, Sudiksha, Ayat and Devans. Through this poem, children are telling about birds. So let's us enjoy.
Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on a log. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kanchan Yadav. I am the class teacher of FS2 of Pristine Academy. Happy Independence Day to all of you. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the children of class FS2 are going to present a poem. The name of the poem, Clap Your Hands. This poem is being presented by class FS2 children Shivani, Amrita, Rishabh, Sagar, Sakshi, Kritika, Vaibhav and Purna Pristine Academy. Through this poem, children are telling about their body parts. So let's happily watch this poem and enjoy it.
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands.
मैं कंचन यादव और कक्षा FS2 के बच्चे आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर स्वागत और हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। आज प्रिस्टीन एकेडमी के FS2 के नन्हे नन्हे बच्चों द्वारा एक कविता प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है जिसका नाम है रेनबो, जिसमें यांशी, काव्या, कृतिका, मयांशी, आरोही, साक्षी, अनाया है। इस कविता के माध्यम से नन्हे नन्हे बच्चे रेनबो के बारे में बता रहे हैं। तो आइए हम सभी नन्हे नन्हे बच्चों के द्वारा प्रस्तुत किए गए कविता का आनंद ले, जो प्रिस्टीन एकेडमी के बच्चों द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया गया।
वो देखो। बताओ भला इंद्रधनुष में कितने रंग होते हैं? शाबाश। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। आँख नहीं है, कान नहीं है और नहीं है हाथ, फिर भी कितना सुंदर लागे रंगों का ये संग। 7 रंगों से मिलके बना है इंद्रधनुष का।
मैं कंचन यादव और कक्षा FS2 के बच्चे आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर स्वागत और हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। आज प्रिस्टीन एकेडमी के FS2 के नन्हे नन्हे बच्चों द्वारा एक कविता प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है जिसका नाम है मैं तोता, जिसमें ऋषिका, अवंतिका, काव्या, अद्विका, आयुष, आयांश, शिवांश, अनाया और हुरैन है। इस कविता के माध्यम से नन्हे नन्हे बच्चे तोता के बारे में बता रहे हैं। तो आइए हम सभी नन्हे नन्हे बच्चों के द्वारा प्रस्तुत किए गए कविता का आनंद ले, जो प्रिस्टीन एकेडमी के बच्चों द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया गया है।
Good morning everyone. My name is Seema Paswan. I am the teacher of FS3 at Pristine Academy. Happy Independence Day. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the children of class FS3 are going to present a poem. The name of the poem is I Am So Happy. This poem is being presented by class FS3 children Abhiraj, Ayush, Anushka, Vihan, Pragya, Aisha, Suryanshi, Divyanshi of Pristine Academy. Children are expressing their happiness through this poem. So let's happily watch this poem and enjoy it.
Clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
La
touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
I am the class teacher of FS3 at Pristine Academy. Happy Independence Day to all of you. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the children of class FS3 are going to present a poem. The name of the poem is I Love My Family. This is all about importance of family and family members. This poem is being presented by students of class FS3 Diksha, Sudiksha, Aisha, Suryanshi, Shivank, Ayush, Shreya, Elishpa, Himanshu, Vihan. So let's watch this poem and enjoy it.
Good morning everyone. We are students of class FS3. Today we are going to present the poem. The poem name is I Love My Family. So let's start.
Hello everyone. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. On behalf of all the students of class FS4 at Pristine Academy and Center for Excellence. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the children of FS4 are going to present a poem. The name of the poem is My Family. This poem is all about spending quality time with family. This poem is being presented by students of class FS4, Shivansh, Vikram, Riya, Shreya, Ashutosh, Ritika, Jisha, Shubham, Ansh and Ayush. Through this poem, the students express that their family is their strength. Family love and bond will always stay strong. So let's praise the efforts of the students of class FS4 and watch this poem and let's hope we enjoy it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Asosra. I study in class FS4. We study in class FS4. Today we are going to present the poem. The poem name is My Family. So let's start. Yes, I said. Yes, I said. We are a family. Father, will you eat with me? Yes, I said. Yes, I said. We are the family. Brother, sister, will you dance with me? Yes, I said. Yes, I said. We are a family. Grandmother, will you sing with me? Yes, I said. Yes, I said. We are a family. Grandfather, will you live with me? Yes, I said. Yes, I said. We are a family. Thank you.
नमस्कार। प्रिस्टीन एकेडमी एंड सेंटर फॉर एक्सीलेंस के कक्षा FS5 के छोटे छोटे छात्रों की तरफ से आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज इस पावन अवसर पर प्रिस्टीन एकेडमी के कक्षा FS5 के छोटे छोटे छात्र गार्गी, प्रियांशु, आंचल, अश्विनी, ऐशानी, आदित्य, महिमा, रौनक और एलिना अपनी पाठ्य पुस्तक से माँ नामक कविता का प्रस्तुतिकरण करने जा रहे हैं। हालांकि आपने माँ पर अनेकानेक कविताएं, कहानियां और उसकी महिमाओं का वर्णन करते हुए अनेकानेक चीजें पढ़ी होंगी, लेकिन छोटे बच्चों के मुख से माँ का वर्णन अलग ही आनंद देता है। तो आइए कक्षा FS5 के छात्रों को देखते हैं कि वो माँ नामक कविता का प्रस्तुतिकरण कितने भोलेपन से करते हैं। इस प्रस्तुति के माध्यम से प्रिस्टीन एकेडमी में हम अपने छात्रों को नाट्य मंचन, स्वतंत्र विचार एवं हिंदी भाषा पर पकड़ साधने की तैयारी करते हैं। तो आइए इस प्रोग्राम का आनंद उठाते हैं और इनका तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं कक्षा FS5 के छात्र। धन्यवाद।
We are student of class FS5. We are going to present a poem. The poem name is Ma. So let's start. माँ तुम कितनी भोली भाली, कितनी प्यारी प्यारी हो, दिल से सच्ची मिसरी जैसी, सारे जग से न्यारी हो। मेरे मन में जोश तुम्हीं से, तुमसे ही प्रकाश, मुझ में साहस तुमसे आता, तुमसे ही विश्वास। Thank you everyone.
I, Asha Devi, and students of MS1 welcome you to Pristine Academy on Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, everyone. We have gathered to celebrate a day in Pristine Academy. The independence marked the beginning of a new era, with India taking its place as a sovereign nation. MS1 students of Pristine Academy are going to present a song, Save the Planet Earth. This song to help save planet Earth in individuals can adopt sustainable practices like reducing waste, conserving water and energy. Through this program at PACE, we intend to develop the idea in our students. Protect our planet. Prioritize reducing waste. So let's enjoy this song by MS1 students Dipanshu, Divyansh, Shreya, Kaushal, Piyush, Neeraj, Ujjwal, Ayush, Shivangi, Anvisha.
Happy Independence Day, everyone. We are the students from class MS1. Today we are going to present a song. The song name is Save the Earth. So let's start. Let's see what we can do to save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do to save the planet for me and you. E-A-R-T
मैं नीलम और पेश के कक्षा 6 के बच्चे स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी का स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। हमारे विद्यालय पेश के कक्षा 6 के बच्चों द्वारा, जिसमें अन्विषा, शिवांगी, तानी, श्रेया, दीपांशु, दिव्यांश, उज्जवल, नीरज, आयुष, कौशल के द्वारा हिंदी कविता मातृभूमि प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। इस कविता के माध्यम से भारत की प्राकृतिक भौगोलिक सुंदरता और विराटता का वर्णन किया गया है। इस कविता के माध्यम से बच्चों को भारत की संस्कृति और इसकी विशालता पर गर्व करने की प्रेरणा मिलती है। तो आइए इस कविता का आनंद लिया जाए।
आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। इस अवसर पर हम आप सभी के सामने हिंदी की एक प्रसिद्ध कविता मातृभूमि पेश करने जा रहे हैं, जिसके कवि सोहनलाल द्विवेदी जी हैं। इस कविता को हिंदी के प्रसिद्ध कवियों में से एक सोहनलाल द्विवेदी जी ने लिखा है। उनका जन्म आज से लगभग 125 साल पहले हुआ था। उन्होंने अपनी लेखनी से अंग्रेजों का विरोध किया था। उनकी लेखनी का सबसे प्रिय विषय था देशभक्ति। उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी रचनाएं लिखी है, जैसे बड़े चलो, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। तो आइए इस कविता का आनंद लिया जाए। ऊंचा खड़ा हिमालय आकाश चूमता है, नीचे चढ़म तले झुक नित्य सिंधु झूमता है।
गंगा यमुना त्रिवेणी नदियाँ लहर रही है, जगमग छटा निराली पंख पंख छहर रही है।
वो पुण्य भूमि मेरी, वो शौर्य भूमि मेरी, वो जन्मभूमि मेरी, वो मातृभूमि मेरी। झरने अनेक झरते जिसकी पहाड़ियों में चिड़िया चहक रही हैं, वह मस्त झाड़ियों में। अमराइयाँ घनी है, कोयल पुकारती है, बहती मलय पवन है, तन मन संवारती है। वो धर्म भूमि मेरी, वो जन्मभूमि मेरी, वो कर्मभूमि मेरी, वो मातृभूमि मेरी। जन्मे जहाँ थे रघुपति, जन्मी जहाँ थी सीता, श्री कृष्ण ने सुनाई वंशी पुनित गीता। गौतम ने जन्म लेकर जिसका सुयश बढ़ाया, जग को दया सिखाई, जग को दिया दिखाया। वह युद्ध भूमि मेरी, वह बुद्ध भूमि मेरी, वह मातृभूमि मेरी, वह जन्मभूमि मेरी।
I, Asha Devi, and students of MS2 and MS3 welcome you to Pristine Academy on Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, everyone. We have gathered to celebrate a day in Pristine Academy. The day is filled with patriotic fervor, flag hosting ceremonies, culture programs, and reflections of India's journey towards progress and unity. MS2 and MS3 students of Pristine Academy are going to present a song, The School. This song reflects the school's value, history, and uniting students and staff. Through this program, PACE intend to develop our students to make positive choices and to celebrate the golden rule through the actions. So let's enjoy this song by MS2, Preeti Chauhan, Priyati, Anvishika. MS3 students Sandhya, Sakshi, Anushka, Shreyanshi, Shaurya.
Good morning everyone. We are the students of class MS2 and MS3. Today we are going to sing the school song. So here it is. Everybody knows about the radical act of kindness. Everybody knows what it means to be a friend. Everybody knows
मैं रीता तिवारी और प्रिस्टीन अकादमी के कक्षा 7वीं और 8वीं के बच्चे स्वतंत्रता दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी का स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं। जिस प्रकार हम किसी भी कार्य के आरंभ में मंगल गीत गाते हैं, ठीक उसी प्रकार आज प्रिस्टीन अकादमी के कक्षा 7वीं और 8वीं के बच्चों अनुष्का, अन्विशिका, साक्षी, संध्या, श्रेयांशी, प्रीति, प्रियति और शौर्य के द्वारा आप लोगों के समक्ष स्वतंत्रता दिवस के कार्यक्रमों से पहले एक संस्कृत मंगलम प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है। तो आइए हम सभी इस कार्यक्रम का आनंद उठाते हैं।
आप सभी को सुप्रभात। हम सभी कक्षा MS2 और MS3 की छात्राएं हैं। आज हम सभी आप लोगों के समक्ष इस 15 अगस्त के शुभ अवसर पर एक संस्कृत गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम मंगलम है, जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। अहं नमामि मातरं गुरुं नमामि सादरं, स्वयं पठामि सर्वदा, प्रियं वदामि सर्वदा, हितं करोमि सर्वदा, शुभं करोमि सर्वदा, विभुं नमामि सादरं, प्रभुं नमामि सादरं, चलामि नीति सत्पथे, हरामि मातृभूयतं, ददामि साधुतावृतं, सृजामि कीर्ति सत्कथम्। अहं नमामि मातरं गुरुं नमामि सादरं, स्वयं पठामि सर्वदा, प्रियं वदामि सर्वदा, हितं करोमि सर्वदा, शुभं करोमि सर्वदा, विभुं नमामि सादरं, प्रभुं नमामि सादरं, चलामि नीति सत्पथे, हरामि मातृभूयतं, ददामि साधुतावृतं, सृजामि कीर्ति सत्कथम्। अहं नमामि मातरं गुरुं नमामि सादरं, स्वयं पठामि सर्वदा, प्रियं वदामि सर्वदा। धन्यवाद।
मैं रीता तिवारी और प्रिस्टीन अकादमी के कक्षा 7वीं और 8वीं के बच्चे स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी का स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं। हमारे प्रिस्टीन अकादमी के कक्षा 7वीं और 8वीं के बच्चों अनुष्का, अन्विशिका, साक्षी, संध्या, श्रेयांशी, प्रीति, प्रियति के द्वारा एक संस्कृत गीत प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है, जिसका नाम है प्रियम भारतम, जिसके माध्यम से बच्चे अपने इस भारत देश की सुंदरता का वर्णन कर रहे हैं। तो आइए हम सभी इस कार्यक्रम का आनंद उठाएं।
सुप्रभात आप सभी को। हम सभी कक्षा MS2 और MS3 की छात्राएं हैं। हम सभी 15 अगस्त के इस शुभ अवसर पर एक संस्कृत गीत गाने जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम है प्रियम भारतम, जो कि कुछ इस प्रकार है। प्रकृत्या सुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं, सरितार्हारे ललामं निकामं, हिमाद्रि ललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा दर्शनीयं, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा दर्शनीयं, धनानां निधानं धरायां प्रधानम्, इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यम्, इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यम्, यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतं, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा पूजनीयं, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा पूजनीयम्। अनेके प्रदेशा अनेके च वेशा, अनेकानि रूपाणि भाषा अनेका, अनेकानि रूपाणि भाषा अनेका, परं यत्र सर्वे वयं भारतीया, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा रक्षणीयं, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा रक्षणीयं, प्रकृत्या सुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं, सरितार्हारे ललामं निकामं, हिमाद्रि ललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा दर्शनीयं, प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा दर्शनीयम्।
morning to all of you. Welcome you all to the premises of Pristine Academy. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the students of Pristine Academy and Center for Excellence are going to present a short skit. The name of the skit is Save Water. Through this skit, the students want to give a message to community members about the importance of conserving water. The skit is presented by Preeti, Priyati, Anvishka, Sakshi, Shreyanshi, Sandhya, Anushka and Shaurya. Through this program at Pristine Academy and Center for Excellence, we intend to develop the language proficiency and confidence of our students. So now, let's enjoy the skit by the students of Pristine Academy.
Good morning everyone. We are the students of class MS2 and MS3. Today we are going to present a skit on saving water. So let's start. But this rain is spoiling our plan of today. Our plan of today. Dear children, you don't know the importance of rain for us. If there is no rain, there will be no water.
What nonsense, uncle. This world has so much of water, it will be never finished.
Never be finished. Dear children, nowadays we are wasting and misusing so much water. Water is making water scarcity one day. If you don't believe, come I show. Yes, show us. We have visited many places where people are waiting for a single bucket of water. Due to the scarcity of water, people are not able to survive on this beautiful earth. And that day was not far when the life on the earth became impossible. Thank you. Did you see it here? Uncle, how can we stop this wastage of water? How can we stop? Whenever you see any wastage of water, stop it quickly. Stop it quickly. Rain, comes down. Big rains of water. Rain, comes down. Big rains of water.
Oh, so cold water.
Oh God, this man has taken bath here. I am getting late for my work. I am also late for my interview. Why does not anybody say anything to this man? Excuse me, sir. Why don't you fill your bucket and take bath at the side? You are wasting so much water and time also.
This is not anybody personal shower, it is government provided tap water.
Wait, although this is government provided tap, but no one have right to waste it. Do you understand? Always use bucket and mug for what? Save water, save your country.
Meet on the tap. I want to wash my bicycle.
Uncle, what are you doing?
Are you blind? You cannot see I'm washing my bicycle.
But you can wash it by using less water. Why you are wasting so much water by using pipe?
This is my property. I will do anything.
No, this is wrong. Although you understand, but don't waste water more. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Use bucket and mug for washing motorcycle.
Dear countrymen, water is for all. Don't waste it more.
Stop wasting water to save our society.
But how?
Fix leaking taps.
Use bucket and mug for bathing.
Take water as per necessity.
Save water, save your country.
Save water, save your country. Save water, save your country. Rain, come this day. We will play some other day. Rain, come this day. We will play some other day. Thank you everyone.
I, Asha Devi, and students of MS2 and MS3 welcome you to Pristine Academy on Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, everyone. We have gathered to celebrate a day in Pristine Academy. The day honors the countless individuals who fought for India's freedom, enduring hardships and making sacrifices for future generations. MS2 and MS3 students of Pristine Academy are going to present a song, You Are My Sunshine. This song reinforces the bond between mother and child. The song explores the complex emotions of love, from its capacity to bring happiness to its potential to cause sorrow. Through this program PACE, we intend to develop the affection, appreciation, and the joy that our students can bring to their life. So let's enjoy this song by MS2 Preeti Chauhan, Priyati, Anvishika. MS3 students Sandhya, Sakshi, Anushka, Shreyanshi, Shaurya.
Good morning everyone. We are the students of class MS2 and MS3. Today we are going to sing You Are My Sunshine. So let's start. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tahreem Shaida. I am the class teacher of PS1 at Pristine Academy. Happy Independence Day to all of you. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the children of class PS1 are going to present a poem. The name of the poem is Healthy Food and Junk Food. In this poem, children are playing role of healthy food and junk food. This poem is being presented by class PS1 children Romisa, Sivansh, Shaurya, Riyansika, Tirisha, Aradhya, Others and Ayush. Through this poem, children want to explain that eating healthy food keeps us healthy and eating junk food can make us weak and sick. So let's happily watch this poem and enjoy it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We are students of class PS1. We are going to project a poem. The poem name is Healthy Food and Junk Food. So let's start. Healthy food, who are you? I am the one that is good for you. I make you grow tall and strong and give you energy all day long. Junk food, who are you? I am the one that's bad for you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tahrim Shada. I am the class teacher of ES1 at Pristine Academy. Happy Independence Day to all of you. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the children of class PS1 are going to present a skit. The name of the skit is Healthy Food and Junk Food. In this skit, children are playing the role of healthy food and junk food. This skit is being presented by class PS1 children Alok, Jigya, Vanshika, Shlok, Advik, Aditya, Aradhya, Alyasha, Shreya, Apsara, Arush, Ashutosh Kumar Sharma, Ashutosh Yadav. Through this skit at Pristine Academy, want to tell children what are the advantages and disadvantages of eating healthy food and junk food. So let's happily watch this skit and enjoy it. Thank you.
Everyone, we are students of class PS1. Today we are going to present a skit on healthy food and junk food. So let us start. Who are you? I am a healthy food leader. Leader? Yes, they give you lots of vitamins and minerals. Now who are you? I am a junk food leader. I am a junk food leader. Leader? Yes. I'm really confused now. What do I eat and what do not? Eat junk food, not healthy food. No, eat healthy food, not junk food. Eat junk food, not healthy food. No, eat healthy food, not junk food. I'm really confused now. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, let's have a challenge. Challenge accepted. Okay, challenge accepted. आगे क्यों पकड़ रही हो? पीछे We are the best. No, we are the best. We are the best. No, we are the best. We are the best. No, we are the best. We are the best. Now I know. Eat healthy food and not junk food. Take shower. Wash your hand. Exercise regular. Stay healthy. Eat healthy. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone, I Khushbu. As we all know, today is Independence Day. So on this auspicious occasion, the students of Pristine Academy, Aradhya, Aksa, Ansika, Shaurya, Pawan and Shreya from class PS2 are going to present a short skit on Bihu. It is a harvest festival of Assam celebrated on 14 and 15 January every year. Through this skit, we intend to develop confidence and language proficiency in our students. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We are studying in class PS2. Today we are here to present a short skit on Magh Bihu. Hello everyone, we are from Assam. Today we are gathered here to celebrate our harvest festival, Magh Bihu. It is celebrated on 14 and 15 January every year. So let's enjoy this beautiful festival.
The first day of this festival is known as Urukka. On this day, we made a temporary shed called a Belaghar. We also organized a community fest. There are delicious food like to petha, roasted sweet potatoes and kava rice.
Oi, janoi khunoi horu mai deho mai kuniye oi binale. E janoi khunoi horu mai deho mai bodoi silahile. E janoi khunoi my the home, my home, my the home, my Uga Mako Kumisu, Uga Mako Kumisu. Janai hunoi jula beli bihunam, janai hunoi juri boloi thakila, janai hunoi ei beli erate na.
On the last day, we light the Meji and the Vela Ghar. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone. On behalf of the students of PS2, I welcome you to Pristine Academy on the beautiful occasion of Independence Day. Happy Independence Day everyone. We have gathered to celebrate a day in Pristine Academy that marks the nation's freedom from British colonial rule in 1947. Pristine Academy has introduced a performance-based teaching methodology where children can learn easily. The students of PS2 of Pristine Academy are going to present a role play in the subject of English Marigold Unit 1, Neha's Alarm Clock. Through this program at PACE, we intend to develop the language proficiency of our students and the confidence instillment within our students. The students of PS2, Akshita, Devashish, Satyam, Anish, Ayush, Kritika, Akriti, Raj, Krishna, Shreya, Manya, Satya, Avnish, Arpit, Shaurya, Adarsh, Ayush, Ansh and Shreya Yadav have come together to show you this beautiful presentation of the class book Marigold Unit 1 Neha's Alarm Clock. So let's enjoy this presentation from our young students. The story is about a young girl named Neha who dislikes waking up to her alarm clock. So let's enjoy this role play from class PS2. Let's give them a big hand.
Good morning all of you. We are students of class PS2. Today we will present a role play English Unit 1 Neha's Alarm Clock. Neha's Alarm Clock, a story about a girl named Neha who dislikes being woken up by her alarm clock at 6 am.
She wishes her alarm clock would stop working and one day. Finally, Neha wakes up on her own at 6 am because she was an internal clock. So let's start!
Ring, ring, ring. Of course, the alarm clock. At 6 in the morning, Neha makes a face and covering her ear with her pillow. Struggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself.
This alarm clock always rings at 6, pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. How I would love to sleep little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Something falls. Neha smiles. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am tomorrow I can get a plate.
Next morning, there is no alarm, so Neha sleep and sleep. The small chirpy bird which come to the window. Still every morning find Neha still sleeping.
Wake up, Tia, wake up fast. Wake up, Tia, wake up fast.
Neha gets up with the stars.
Oh, it is not the alarm clock. It's this God why don't you leave me alone?
Neha's come through the next morning. There is only no alarm clock. There are no bus either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile.
Oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't you let me be?
Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds.
So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Wake up, sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. Oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? There is no except now. Neha gets up, gets ready. Can you imagine what's happened the next day? Neha walks with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She called out to her mother. Ma, who woke me up today? Who is you, of course? But I was sleeping. How could I? Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? I feel hungry. Why do you sleep at every night in 9? Because I feel sleepy. There is clock inside you which tell you when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up. Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Relax, today is Sunday. Oh.
Good morning to all of you. I, Khushbu, welcome you all at the premises of Pristine Academy. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. So on this beautiful day, the students of Pristine Academy, Anuj, Ashwani, Adrit, Anamika, Shaurya, Arpita, Purvi, Ayushi, Adarsh and Vartika from class PS3 are going to present a song, and the name of the song is The Earth is My Home. Through this song, the students promise to keep their home planet Earth clean and safe. Through this song, at PACE, we intend to develop language proficiency and confidence of our students. So let's enjoy this program. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We are students of class PS3. Today we are going to present a song. The song name is The Earth is My Home. So let's start. The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful.
मैं रीता तिवारी और प्रिस्टीन अकादमी के कक्षा 5वीं के बच्चे स्वतंत्रता दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी का स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं। हमारे विद्यालय प्रिस्टीन अकादमी के कक्षा 5वीं के बच्चों अनन्या, अद्रित, शौर्य, अनामिका, प्रियांजलि, अलीशा, रागिनी, अर्पिता, पूर्वी, दिव्या, अनुज, अश्वनी, आयुषी, आदर्श, वर्तिका, आदित्य, शाहिद के द्वारा एक कविता प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है जिसका नाम है खिलौने वाला। इस कविता के माध्यम से बच्चे अपने बचपन के खिलौने के बारे में बता रहे हैं। तो आइए हम सभी मिलकर इस कार्यक्रम का आनंद उठाएं।
आप सभी को 15 अगस्त की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हम कक्षा PS3 के छात्र एवं छात्राएं हैं। आज हम आप लोगों के समक्ष एक सुंदर सी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, खिलौने वाला। इसकी कवित्री सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान है। इसमें एक खिलौने वाला है और एक बच्चा है जो अपनी माँ से तरह तरह के खिलौने खरीदने के लिए जिद कर रहा है। तो आइए हम सब मिलकर इस सुंदर सी कविता का आनंद लें। खिलौने ले लो, सुंदर सुंदर नए खिलौने ले लो, सुंदर सुंदर।
वह देखो माँ, आज खिलौने वाला फिर से आया है। कई तरह के सुंदर सुंदर नए खिलौने लाया है। हरा हरा तोता पिंजड़े में, गेंद 1 पैसे वाली, छोटी सी मोटर गाड़ी है सर 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 चलने वाली। सीटी भी है कई तरह के सुंदर खेल, चाबी भर चलने वाली रे। गुड़िया भी है बहुत भली सी, कहने कानों में वाली। छोटा सा टी सेट है, छोटे छोटे हैं लोटा थाली। छोटे छोटे धनुष बाण है छोटी छोटी तलवार। नए खिलौने ले लो भैया, जोर जोर कर रहा पुकार। मुन्नू ने गुड़िया ले ली है, मोहन ने मोटर गाड़ी। मचल मचल कर सल्ला कहती, माँ से लेने को साड़ी। कभी वाला भी माँ क्या साड़ी ले है, साड़ी तो वह कपड़े वाला कभी कभी दे जाता है। अम्मा तुमने तो ला कर दे दिए मुझको पैसे चार। कौन खिलौना लेता हूँ मैं, तुम भी मन में करो विचार। तुम सोचोगी मैं ले लूंगा तोता बिल्ली मोटर रेल, पर माया मैं कभी न लूंगा, यह तो है बच्चों के खेल। मैं तलवार खरीदूंगा माया न तीर कमान, जंगल में जा किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा राम समान। तपसी यज्ञ करेंगे असुरों को मैं मार भगाऊंगा, यूं ही कुछ दिन